Mum, should we learn about third Ashra of Ramadan right now?
The last 10 days of Ramadan are known as Ashra-e-Najat, or the days of salvation.
What's special about these days, Mum?
These days are considered the most sacred and blessed days of Ramadan. It's a time when Allah's mercy and forgiveness are even more abundant.
What's the special supplication for these days?
The supplication for Ashra-e-Najat is Allahumma ajirni minan nar. That's it, my daughter. May Allah save us from the fire and guide us on the right path.
Mum, what's the significance of Laylatul Qadr during these days?
Laylatul Qadr is a very special night. It's considered the night of power when the Quran was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.
Wow, that's amazing. What should we do on this night?
We should spend the night in prayer, reciting the Quran, and seeking Allah's forgiveness and mercy. It's a night of intense worship and devotion.
Is there any specific supplication for these nights?
Allahumma innaka afun tuhibbul afwa fa'fu anni.
I want to make the most of this night, Mum. Let's plan to stay up and pray together on odd nights of this Ashra.
That's a wonderful idea, Zara. I'm so proud of you for being so enthusiastic about Ramadan.